Hello everyone, welcome to KK's Art Studio, and today we're drawing Steve from Minecraft. So come join me for an easy step-by-step. Alright everyone, let's get started with drawing Steve from Minecraft. It's gonna be super easy and fun, and I can't wait to show you guys. So the first step is that in the middle of the paper we're gonna draw two vertical lines coming down. So I'm gonna start on this side. I'm just gonna leave some space at the top. And from here, I'm just gonna draw a vertical line coming all the way down. Try to keep it as straight as possible. It's so hard. I need a ruler. So that's one vertical line. And then we're gonna leave some space, come over, and I'll draw it maybe like somewhere right here. I'll start it right here. I'll come down and I'll draw a vertical line the same way. And keep it straight. And I'll stop maybe here, that looks the same. That's pretty straight, yay! And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw two horizontal lines to close this off. So I'm gonna come here and I'm just gonna draw a horizontal line right across to connect the two lines. Just like that, close that. And then I'll draw one down here. And then we could draw, this is the body, and we're gonna split it with the head, the shirt, and the pants. So we could start that now. So for the head, I'm gonna leave some space. Everything's pretty much squared, so it's gonna be super easy. And I'm gonna come across right here and draw another horizontal line to this point. So I'm gonna come here and draw a horizontal line. Wow. That's one line. And then the pants, it's also a horizontal line, but it's kind of like, it goes down like stairs. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna draw a horizontal line, come across, and then I'm gonna stop somewhere over here. And then the rest of the pants look like steps, like stairs going down. So how we would do that is we're gonna draw a little vertical line like this, and then a horizontal line, which is the step, another vertical line that's little like that, and then another horizontal step. We'll do one more vertical line, short one down, and then another step. It looks like stairs. You're walking down the stairs, walking up the stairs. Those are his pants. And then the next step would be to draw his arms. And then everything else is details, which is super, super easy. So for his arms, we're gonna draw two long rectangles. So what I'm gonna do is from this line of the head, I'm gonna come across and I'm gonna stop like that. And then I'm gonna come down past his pants to draw the arms. So I'm gonna come down with the vertical line, maybe like right there, and then I'm gonna draw a horizontal line from the arm to the body, or from the body to the arm. I'm gonna go this way. That's one arm, and then I'm gonna copy that same design on this side. So we're gonna draw another arm. So I'm gonna come across horizontal from here. I'll just stop somewhere here, nothing too big. And I'm come down vertical, come down, I'll stop somewhere here. For it to be like the same, I could do that method where I just come across like this, and I just go like this, and I try to close it, and I'll connect that. Those are his arms, and now everything else is just details. So let's draw the details of his pants first. So these are his pants, and then we just need a line straight across to draw where his shoes are gonna go. So I'm gonna draw that. I'm gonna draw like something that's gonna look like a long rectangle that's horizontal, or just go from here to the other side. These are gonna be his shoes, super easy. We could draw his sleeves, which are gonna look like little squares.
Nice.
What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna draw another horizontal line, and I'm just gonna go across like this. That's one sleeve. And then I'm gonna draw one right here, and that's another sleeve. Those are his sleeves. There's no details to his shirt, so we'll just leave it like that. And then we'll just draw his face. So for his face, he has like a hairline at the top, and then his face is at the bottom. So I think the easiest bet is to start with his hair. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a little horizontal line right here that's connected to the side. So I'm gonna go like this, right? And then I could do the same thing on this side. I'm gonna come across, and then like right here, I'll just come out just a little bit. Two short horizontal lines. Then from there, we're gonna draw two little vertical lines, maybe like the same length. And I'm gonna come up vertically like that, and then vertically here. And then all we have to do is draw one big horizontal line connecting this. So that's what I'm gonna do. And that's Steve's hair. Super easy. And then we just have to draw the details of Steve's face. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna leave some space for his like face and his cheeks, and his mouth is gonna come up with a short vertical line as well, like this. Not all the way up, just a little one. And then I'm gonna copy that one on this side. I'm gonna come here and just draw a vertical line. And then I'll draw a horizontal line to close this. So I'm gonna come here and I'm just gonna go horizontal to close that up. And then from here, I'm gonna draw his nose, and his nose is gonna be another rectangle, just shorter. So I'm gonna come here, instead of right here, I'm gonna come in more. I'm gonna draw a line like this, and another vertical line here. And then same thing, I'll close it off. Just two rectangles, one is bigger and one is smaller. So from here, I'm gonna close it off, come across and close it off. That's another rectangle. And then from these rectangles, from the ends of it, I'm gonna go up, draw two vertical lines, and draw two more rectangles that are out. It's gonna be easy, I promise. So from here, like I said, we're gonna come up with a vertical line, and from this end, same here, we're gonna come up with a vertical line, and then I'm just gonna draw two rectangles going this way. So I'm gonna draw a horizontal line here that's connected, like we could continue this line. This is one big horizontal line, right? This one here. If I continue it here, I'll just go across horizontal. And then I'll just draw the rectangle. So I'm gonna come up the same height as this one and then close this off. And then I could easily go this way too, go across and then close this part off, come back down. Those are his eyes. And then his eyeballs, like his pupils, it's not halfway, it's just a little bit less. So if you want to look at half, half is right here. I'm just gonna come a little bit less to this side. And I'll do the same thing. If this is halfway, I'm gonna come a little less and I'll come here. Those are his eyes that we're gonna color in. And then the last thing to do is his mouth. So his mouth is just a little bit smaller than this rectangle, and it's gonna be the same concept, same idea. So I'm gonna come in just a little bit more, draw a little vertical line like that, come in a little bit more, draw a little vertical line like that, two short vertical lines, and then one horizontal line to connect it. And there we have Steve. That was super easy. And now it's the fun part to color it in. So that's what we're gonna do. We have all these markers, color pencils, crayons, whatever you guys have, and just have fun with it. So we're gonna fast forward this part and stay tuned to see the final results. All right, everyone. So there we have Steve from Minecraft. Yay! And I think it was super easy. It was a lot of lines and squares just to finish off, but I just copied his original colors, lighter blue shirt, dark blue pants, and that was it. So hopefully you guys found it easy as well. And stay tuned as I draw more Minecraft characters or any other character that you could think of. So please stay tuned and keep an eye out for my other videos. See you guys, bye.